So I want to talk to you about something that's happening right in front of you. And I think that a lot of crypto investors are not really aware of this. They don't pay attention to this. And it's something that I want to talk about in this video. So real quickly, where am I at? I'm going to give you guys a little peek here. So where am I at? Do you know where I'm at in the world, if you will? Okay. I'll come back to that and tell you where I'm at the end of the video. So you got to stay. Drop in the comments below if you know where I'm at. Okay. I'm out here on a family vacation as well as a lacrosse tournament this weekend for my son. So what is happening right in front of you? What is happening in front of all of us as crypto investors and that we sometimes don't pay attention to and don't see? It is percentage gains over time. What do I mean by that? Okay. I think that a lot of people that invest in crypto are only looking at the daily chart. They are only looking at what's happened in the last 24 hours. They're not looking at what's happened in the last 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, as far as percentage gain up or down in a given crypto. Well, to give you some example, right now, Shiba Inu, just to give you an example, and I'll give you Bitcoin in a minute, is up 25% in the last 3 weeks for the month of June. Bitcoin is up from 26,000 to over 30,000. Well, that's almost a 20% gain. And that's what I'm talking about. Most people are only focused on how much has my crypto that let's say my Cardano or my Polygon that I own, how much has it gone up in the last 24 hours? That's what most people look at. They don't look at how much has it gone up over time, okay? In 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 6 months or a year. And they have a very short-sighted, short-term view, which is not good, okay? You need to obviously know what's going on with the crypto that you own, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Polygon, whatever you do own. You need to know, right? You need to know your cost basis. You need to have a plan. Hey, I bought it for X and I want to sell it for, Y, which equals a 30% return on investment or 40% or 50% or whatever your target is. You need to know that. But I also am trying to focus you on the fact that most people are very short-sighted. They get into it, they buy an asset and they look at it and go, okay, what did it make me today? As an example. They don't focus on what did it make me over time. And that's really what I'm trying to convey to you is I want you to understand that you need to look at it every day. And this is happening right in front of you, by the way. Look at it every day, absolutely. But also have a view and look at what it's done from the day you bought it, and also look at maybe what it's done in the last 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 weeks, because that will, you may not even be aware that it went up 20% like Bitcoin in the last, 4, 5, 6 days. That's what's important. So keep an eye on all of it. As always, thanks for your support. And here's where I'm at. I am in New York City. So that is where I'm at. So I'll see you. Take care.